Hindu homes of worship have unique needs when serving their members and communities. Sintel Systems' global point of sale offers solutions to allow Hindu temples to serve their members and events more efficiently, allowing more time and energy for what matters most, to worship in traditional style and to provide religious, humanitarian, cultural, and educational resources to all interested in Hinduism. We will demonstrate Sintel Systems' omni-channel self-serve kiosk technology intended for a Hindu temple that offers its members a variety of services, including religious services, donations, and on-site food sales. The all-in-one kiosk systems is equipped with a screen for touch operations, magnetic strip credit card reader, and EMV chip credit card slot, built-in printer, and a barcode and QR code scanner that can be used to scan a variety of items, including member information, directly from a smart device. Once a member approaches the kiosk, they will be greeted by the start page or messages that will be running as shown here. Simply touching the screen will prompt the start page. Press start to proceed. The first page is typically set as the most commonly used function. In this case, it is the puja page. Tabs on top will allow access to the other pages, including donations and food. The donation page allows for the selection of preset amounts. The food page lists all of the available foods and drinks. If the food is to be prepared in the kitchen, the system will automatically send it to the kitchen upon ordering. The lower part of any page will show total quantity of items selected, total amount selected, and payment option. In this case, we only have an option to pay by credit card, but additional options such as pay cash at cashier or pay with other methods such as gift cards is also available and can be configured. Next, we will move to demonstrating processing different transactions. On this page, there are 4 pujas listed, including Archana, Kar Puja, Sthayanarana, and Kalyanam. We can select all of them or multiples of pujas. In the first transaction, we will purchase a single puja by selecting one service on the top left. Notice that the puja, the total puja selected, and the total amount are shown on the bottom. Select credit to make payment. We are then prompted to either slide or insert our EMV chipped credit card. Payments, including donations made to nonprofits and religious institutions, are typically tax deductible, but please obtain advice from your accountant or tax preparers for details. Sintel Solutions allow the user to remain anonymous or have a record of their payment registered with the organization. At the time of payment as shown here, the system will prompt the user if they desire to have a record of their payment with the institution. Here, they can either put in their identifying number, such as a phone number, scan a membership card, or scan their smart device if they have registered it. Let's skip this step and remain anonymous at this time. We are prompted to remove our card and the transaction is completed with receipt printed. The screen immediately returns to the start page and is ready for the next transaction. We will now show a transaction for 2 pujas that will provide us with 2 separate vouchers by selecting the 2 services on top. Notice again that the 2 items, the total items selected, and total amount are shown at the bottom. Select credit to make payment. We are then promoted to either slide or insert our EMV chipped credit card. Inserting our EMV will continue the transaction and issue us 2 vouchers we present for the service to be performed. Both vouchers are printed and separate from each other. We skip this part again, remove our cards, and take the receipt. Donations will be the next part to be demonstrated. After pressing start, we select the Donations tab. There are options for pre-selected amount on the top. Select $10 and the selected item, the total item selected, and total amount are shown on bottom. Select credit to make payment. The credit card is inserted and the transaction is approved. We are now being asked if we want credit for this donation or remain anonymous. We can enter our identifying member number, scan our member cards, or scan our smart device. We will choose to put in our number and select OK, which will register the donation to the member. The system prompts the removal of the card and prints a receipt for the transaction. We will also demonstrate a donation whose credit is recorded via the smart device. We select the $10 donation shown on the bottom and mistakenly also select the $25, which we can easily remove by pressing the X button on the top right of the item. Select to make payment and insert the credit card. The transaction is approved and we are prompted by this screen again. This time, we choose to use our smart device by scanning the QR or barcode on the built-in scanner on the lower right of the kiosk. The system prompts the removal of the card and prints a receipt for the transaction. This temple also serves prepared foods. The third tab is for food and lists the different types of foods and drinks available, including bundi and laddu. If the foods were made to order items, the system would automatically send the relevant parts of the order to one or multiple sites in the kitchen to be prepared. We select several items, and again, those are displayed at the bottom. Payment is made and receipt provided for the member to take to the area and collect ordered items. Sintel Systems' kiosk technology is self-sufficient and offers an elevated level of efficiency. Maintenance consists of replenishing the receipt paper, which is done easy by opening the front cover with a security key. Under Sintel Systems' all-inclusive support plan, kiosk systems are delivered fully pre-configured and ready to go. With unlimited training and continuous software version upgrades, our vast portfolio of global clients are always delivered the latest solutions. Please visit the www.sintelsystems.com and see what our clients say about us in the testimonial section of our website. Feel free to contact and see how our solutions can serve your organization and members better.